Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Boss VE-22 vocal performer and you want to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this unit lagging or not working or not making proper sounds, things like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The second reason is if you just want to get a fresh start and get this set up as a new device, you don't want to go manually undo all your configurations and everything, we can just wipe it all in one fell swoop. So it's really easy to do. All we need to do is first with it turned on, we're going to come up and hit the menu button to open the menu. And then from there, we're going to come over to this memory dial and we're going to turn it click to the right to highlight the factory reset in the top right of the screen. Once we do that, we are going to come down to the echo knob and we're going to press the echo knob. And when we press the echo knob, the factory reset screen will appear and we'll use the harmony knob and the echo knob to specify the range for the factory reset operation, and we'll press the memory knob to confirm it. You'll get this confirmation that says if you want to cancel, hit cancel. If it's okay. You'll use the memory knob to toggle over to the OK, and then press the memory button to confirm it. Once you do that, it will go ahead and then it will do its factory reset. When it's complete, it will show on the screen that the factory reset is complete.